Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer transcripts into GPT-based summaries using Zapier. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. Click on Make a Zap to start creating your automation. In the Trigger section, search for the app that contains your transcripts. Select the appropriate app and choose the trigger event related to new transcripts. Connect your account by following the prompts and authorizing Zapier to access your transcripts. Test this trigger to ensure it retrieves a sample transcript successfully. Next, move to the Actions section of your Zap. Search for OpenAI in the list of available apps. Select OpenAI and choose the action event that allows you to generate text. Connect your OpenAI account by entering your API key. In the Setup Actions section, locate the input field for the prompt. Here, map the transcript data from the trigger to the prompt input. This is where you can customize how you want the summary to be generated. You may add specific instructions or parameters to refine the summary output. Once customized, test this action to see if it generates a summary correctly. After a successful test, you can choose to add additional actions if needed. If everything looks good, give your Zap a name. Finally, toggle the Zap on to activate your automated workflow. Your transcripts will now automatically be summarized by GPT using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.